Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Neighbor Alpha 2. And I have no house, apparently. So yeah. Just gonna walk to our neighbor's house today. Don't know where the neighbor is today, but I guess not. Playing Alpha 2 version. Should we go through the front door right there or this door? We're gonna go through this door. Who's in there? That's open. He's got some stuff. Here you've left his dryer. Oh my god. Mine's my shoe untied. Okay, so where's the basement? Got a fish tank. Let's go down here. There's a basement door. No, I guess it doesn't work. Okay. What's the bathroom highlight? This is like slender. That's my gaming chair right now. Oh, there's a way through here. What's in here? Okay, guess nothing. It's locked. I'll go to this bedroom. Oh, God. Thought there was somebody right there. Can I? Trying to look through the. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna leave that on. This is odd. Okay. So. Okay. No, there's just books, a bed. He is too lazy to make his bed. Oh. Locked? Okay. Guess not. Okay. Air freshener. Have a tea. Yeah, he's got TV. Okay. Why is this front door locked? Usually I never. Oh, this is just. Okay. Huge freaking TV. Ooh, this is the bathroom. Oh my god, bro. Oh, that's odd. Okay, I want to see my character. Okay, guess not. You know what that is. That's a sin. Let's go around the house. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay, that would have been a disaster. Nice. What's this? Is this the room supposed to get into? Is that the locker room? What's this? Wait, this might be the bedroom. This is the bedroom. I saw doors in it. Does that mean? No, it's locked. Okay, there has to be a key. Because if they're locked from both ways, then it's impossible that. Yeah, that's my room because there's a door there. So So there has to be a key somewhere. So guys, there has to be a key somewhere so I can open the door. Back into the house. Alright. So gotta look for a key. What's this? Oh, it's looks like a hot dog. Is there something in there? There's something in there. There's a thing here. Ooh, a gun. That's a lunchbox. Ooh, he's got cereal, water. Now what's that? Oh, wait, what? Wait, there goes it. Okay, hold on. Maybe this is the key. Maybe this is the key. This has to be the key, right? We speedrun this through 7 minutes. Can this be the key? It opened this. Open this up. Okay, is there anything in here that is... Is this a utility room? No. Huh. There's tools in here. It's gonna open. Wait, you got the crowbars in here. I know the crowbars in here. These are not crowbars. Those are wrenches. Those don't work. They're nails. Anything? What's it? It's a crowbar. It's a crowbar. Yes. Lock that. So we can. Wait. Hold on a second. I need to lock that. I'm gonna carry this key. Hold on. Okay, wait. Pick up. There we go. First, I'm gonna put the key back, just in case I need it. Just in case I need it, and it has to be in a certain spawn point. Okay. Put this. Take this. And oops. Okay, didn't mean to drop that. Okay, there we go. And okay. Where's my crowbar? Oh, there it is. Unlock the basement door. Boom, boom, boom. He's coming. Away, we got away. Okay. He's gone. He can't get me.